Oh my god, look, my pants matching eh. I feel so small. Hey guys, you've seen me on How Well Do You Know SP, and I'm back again for another video with my new friend Natasha. I'm Irny. So today we're gonna try out new courses. I mean not new lah, but courses that we are not taking. Yeah. I'm very excited to ride on a boat. Gonna be like little yachty. Oh my god, guys, I've never been to the Aero Hub before, and so I think this is gonna be a fresh new experience for me.
So they have just started the exercise. Okay. They are supposed to head to the pilot station to pick up pilot.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We normally monitor them from here, so we can see everything that they're doing.
Okay. So what's happening now?
Right now we are in the simulation. So basically this is the bridge, as you can see. Right now this is my OW.
What does OW stand for?
This is Officer on Watch.
Oh, okay.
So basically he's the leader and the ship.
So basically my job here is to plan the route. So we finally determine our position.
Roughly around here, and then we have to maneuver the ship according to this route that we plan.
Okay.
So
So yeah, they're interacting with one another. So they're not just like lone ships, they're all sailing together.
Copy, pilot on arrival.
They hit the tiny boat, but the boat managed to pass through that unscathed. But this boat, Voyager, they've come to a standstill. Ooh. So I just finished my first lesson. Okay, that was intense. You have to really be alert. You cannot lepak and everything. So, oh my god, yeah. But I'm excited for the next lesson. I am at the Poly Marina, so we finally arrived here. As part of me trying out for DNS, I'm gonna go on a boat today. So let's go.
okay.
I'm not strong enough. Okay.
Cruise, attention. Number from the above.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7.
8.
Okay, number 8 is stern sheet.
Switch off the main power, unplug battery charger connection, take swing hook, release output.
So I don't think I'm equipped to do that, but I'll try.
Okay. Yeah, the center of all the
Oh my god. So right now, we are saving people, saving men overboard. Another life saved.
check the man. Okay. Going ready.
Just throw. Okay. Okay. Men overboard, port side!
Man overboard, port side.
Men! We're gonna save a man!
Get ready, stand by.
This is like Duncan. I'm Harry Styles. Safe now.
You want to try to bring the boat?
Sure, okay.
Okay.
Oh my god, So that was a really tiring experience. It's just an experience that you can't really get through other courses. It's very hands-on, this course. The lecturers here are all experienced. They were once captains working in like oil rigs, working in the professional settings. The students here are also passionate. On the boat, they really knew what to do. And they were very nice and helpful. It's a very good learning environment to be in. Bye, I enjoyed myself. Yo, I just landed